Guess where we are? We are in another airport hangar home located in Massey Ranch, Edgewater, Florida. To my pilot people, aviation people out there, you will know this as X50. This is a special place to me. It was my first airport that I landed in outside of my home base. So it holds some sentimental value to me. We're really excited to show you this tour of this home today though. It's immaculate. It's a new build home, never been lived in. It was finished in 2023 by Platinum Homebuilders, which are local home builders in the New Smyrna, Edgewater, Volusia County area. They're really top notch. We've done another video on them on a great community they built in Venetian Bay. So we're very happy to be back with them to showcase this home that is a hangar home located in, again, Edgewater, Florida, right on Massey Ranch. We are standing in the hangar where you could taxi your aircraft and fly right on away. So stay tuned for the tour that we're gonna go over this beautiful home. My name is Chris Schwartz. You've made it to the Living in New Smyrna Beach YouTube real estate channel where we go over all things real estate fun and things you need to know in the New Smyrna Beach, Edgewater, Volusia County area. So stay tuned, get ready for the good stuff. All right, so we're inside the home, and real quick before we get started the tour, these are 1 and 2 of the trophies, top awards that Platinum Builder just got this year in 2024. Just some little social proof and validation there. Just think I wasn't telling you guys a fishtail there. Usually what we do though is we like to showcase each section of the home and me tell you a little bit about it, but there is so much to go over on this home. I don't want you guys to get bored. I'm gonna have our world's greatest editor, AJ, cut right to it right about now, and I'm just gonna ramble off all the features. If you have questions or comments or need to know more, please reach out to us below. We're happy to help get you connected with Platinum Home Builders and find the right aviation community for you. If this home isn't for you, I'm sure they've got something else in the works, as this is a current development that new things are going up on here. So again, reach out to us, we'll get you connected and make sure that we get the perfect spot, but I can't really imagine anything better than this. So here we go. All right, starting out, this is going to be a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, 2-car garage with a 38 by 50 airplane hangar. So you have impact windows and doors, upgraded stainless steel appliances, gas range, upgraded quartz countertops throughout, dry bar with beverage center. You're gonna have porcelain tile throughout the first floor, and you'll have luxury vinyl on the stairs and the second floor. You have custom stair railings, window treatments, 2 master suites, which is huge. You've got 1 master suite upstairs and 1 downstairs. You don't find too many homes this day and age that you have 2 masters, especially 1 up and 1 down. You're gonna have painted wood ceilings in the kitchen foyer and dining rooms. You have a whole house generator and propane tank included. Fireplace, camera systems, full bath in the hangar, which is huge. I've seen bathrooms in hangars, but I very rarely see a full bathroom in a hangar with shower and everything included. Other features this home is going to be high-grade epoxy floors in the hangar and house garage. You have an insulated hangar door, screened-in lanai, courtyard off the first floor master bedroom. You have Isoline insulation, tongue and groove ceilings on all exterior ceilings, and of course the crown jewel, you have airport and taxiway usage, and it's included in the HOA fees. All right, and before we get to the actual tour of the home, let's go over the major stat points first. What's it cost? How much is it? The value that you're gonna invest into you and your family is gonna be $1,415,386. It is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath at 2,700 square feet and 5,995 square feet total. That's gonna be your big airplane hangar right behind us here. So that's gonna be your major stats, and let's get to the meat and potatoes of this baby. And just some quick history on the Massey Ranch Airport. This airport has been a licensed FAA public airport since 1957. It is a 4,360 feet paved lighted runway with residential sections to the east, and to the west you're going to have your industrial component. All properties have taxiway and airstrip access. All right guys, thanks for hanging with us again on one of our home tours. Again, this is going to be a airport hangar home located in a gated community in Massey Ranch, Edgewater, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath home, 2,700 square feet, 5,995 square feet total. It's going to include your hangar and all your other outdoor space as well. So that 2,700 square feet is going to be your heated indoor living space. This home is priced at $1,415,386. I think that's clever at the end with the 386 and $386. So way to go, Platinum. Again, Platinum, quality builder. They go above and beyond just your normal build. They do a great job of really kind of stepping it up in that custom home build fashion. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever we can help you with, please reach out to us. All our information is below. And be sure to to watch our other airport videos we did in the Spruce Creek Fly-In, and maybe another one we did here or there. So thanks again, guys. Look forward to seeing you in next week's video.